All right, we're doing one-step dimensional analysis here with metric prefixes. I have 91,750 kilograms, and that's going to equal grams. So right now I'm going to find my sig figs. All non-zeros are significant. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a trailing zero because they came at the end, but this is a comma and there is no decimal place anywhere, so he is not important. So I'm just going to put a 4 up there to remind me, because what I start with, I need to end with that same number as sig figs. Step 2, find what conversion we have. So since I noticed that these guys have the same base unit of grams, I need to use my ladder. Now, in this case, we're not going to be shifting left and right like we did before. Unit conversions mean I need to find the top unit. I'm going from kilograms to the base unit of grams, so kilo is at the top, regardless if I'm converting from kilo to grams or grams to kilo. When I write the unit of conversion, I'm going to write whoever's at the top is a 1. So 1 kilo is equal to 1, 2, that's 3 hops, 1,000, 3 zeros. 1 kilo is equal to 1,000 grams because there were 1, 2, 3 hops or 3 zeros. 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. 3 hops, 3 zeros. Then I write what I know, 91,750 kilograms. And I can place that over 1 so it helps me picture the next part better. Times fraction bar. Kilo's at the top, so kilo has to be at the bottom. Okay. If you have trouble remembering canceling rules for fractions, something in the numerator and denominator, if you're multiplying, can be canceled. The other way to remember is the given units are always going to be on the bottom, and the units you want to find are always going to be on the top. We were given kilograms, so kilograms is on the bottom. We want to find grams, so grams is on the top. And then just make sure you plug in the right numbers. 1 is attached to kilograms, so it goes down here, and 1,000 is attached to grams, so it goes up there. What can cancel? Remember, multiplying, we can cancel the stuff on the numerator and the denominator. So what I'm left with is 91,750 times 1,000 grams over 1 and over 1. So I'm not even going to write that this time. But if there were numbers there, then you'd have to do some dividing. 91,750 times 1,000 is going to be 91,750,000 grams. Don't forget your units. You always need to have units. So after you're done, instead of just writing the answer like in math, make sure it has the units there and you check your sig figs. 1, 2, 3, 4 sig figs, all trailing zeros with no decimal, so they are not important. So it is still 4 sig figs. So that is my answer. Now that is a good answer and you're going to get full credit for that here. But if that number was any bigger, it would have to be in scientific notation. So I'm going to put it in scientific notation right now just so that I know how to do that. I start with I remember where the decimal would be, even though we don't have it shown on here. It would be right here. And I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 9.175 times 10 to the 7 grams. Okay, because I went over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So scientific notation, you always just have one number before the decimal place. And this guy still has to have 4 sig figs, which it does. So that is also an acceptable answer.